especially to congratulate all of you that you have done a marvelous job. You performed marvelous speeches here, and I'm really appreciate that who has decorated this, beautiful speech competition. I really clap for first Ahmed Faraz. Clapping for him. Actually, if I talk about the speeches, if I talk about the eye contacts, if I talk about the whole things I've observed on that scene, I really appreciate that in short periods, all the students, they performed well and they have been trained. Ahmed Faraz, if we talk about in past, my senior students, they have also did well in those speeches, but really today I am very astonished. Today I am very pleased, and that man has pleased me. Clapping for again. And also the two categories are here, the speech competitions. Just I'm not to tell about those names. I like all the speeches. I'm not point out the person that because of all of are you in one eye of the teachers. You are all are equal to me. No one superior to you. But one thing I want to add you to say you here is that it doesn't matter that you will come and perform your speeches not getting the good marks. Actually, you have a great honor to come and stand here. It is not a piece of cake to stand and deliver the speech. It's not child play. Already you have noticed that the rest of the guys, they have not participated. Just thinking that just point out. It's also, when we are not the part of the speech, just will try to find the mistake to find out that how he was performing, he was not performing well. When he is turn, he or she is trying to come on the dice, now it's started to shiver. Because of that, your tremblings from the dice, fear. And also, if I talk about the failures today, don't take it hurt. Actually, failure is the greatest. You can say the failure is the stepping the stones to lead toward the success. Today, you are the failure, then you understand the value of the winner. Okay, and you can ask those person, they are the failure in past, and then first after the success they must failed first. After success there must be someone to defeat them. Don't think that you have a great honor, you have got the prestige to here to